safety is the base. Dignity and equal participation in creating that safety is the structure we build on top of it.
Women need a seat at that high table. लेकिन वहाँ पहुँचेंगी कैसे?
That women do hold a place on the same table. It's not an exception. So let's stop treating it as an exception. See, the moment you say इनको higher seat दो, आप ये imply कर रहे हैं कि वो lower level पर है. That's why मैं बार बार बोलते रहती हूँ कि अगर हमारे बच्चों को हमने सही तरीके से रेज किया है तो औरतों को सही तरीके से ट्रीट करना उन्हें आना चाहिए. But Hindi became a language of communication between everyone. And I think that is fantastic.
All right, thank you so much, Shefali Shah. What an honor to talk to you. Have seen you play such powerful roles, right from Satya to Delhi Crime. It's an absolute privilege to be speaking
Thank
to
you. Thank you. Absolutely my pleasure. And I'm just so happy to be here. Thank you.
First of all, a word for Uttar Pradesh and Lucknow. What memory do you have of this place? What does it do to you? What do you feel?
The first thing that strikes me as soon as I land in Lucknow is आप लखनऊ में है मुस्कुराइए. And I think that kind of explains what Lucknow is and what not just the warmth, the hospitality, but I think also the philosophy. And that itself is so welcoming.
Misha, on many occasions in your interviews, you have been quoted as saying, girls are safe when boys are raised right. How do we move women from safety to dignity? You see, right now, a very common concern in everybody's house is safe rehna, right? That is the advice that you give to women. As someone who's a role model, who plays these very strong, powerful characters in cinema as well as on OTT series, how do we move from protection to dignity?
Well, let's first understand that safety is the base. Dignity and equal participation in creating that safety is the structure we build on top of it. Also, when we say women need to be protected, we are kind of implying that women are fragile and need to be protected by men, which is great, but it's not necessarily the only fact. We know what the problems are. So we need to be in a position to find a solution. We need to be in a position to have the authority to create a safer environment, not just wait for someone else to do it for us. And that enabling, of putting women in a position of power, probably making decisions, and kind of working a strategy towards what women actually want and need to feel safe. And also action taking. It's not just sitting and strategizing, it's also taking action against what is wrong and for or towards what should be the right way to go. And when little girls see these women lead, that's when they realize they want to participate, not take permission. And safety is preventing harm, but dignity, I think, is enabling agency.
Now, we all know that Women's Day is around the corner, and it almost becomes a sort of an exercise in celebrating women for one and a total of one day, and then going back to the remaining 364 days, business as usual. Now, what has your experience been? This putting women on a pedestal on that one and only one day only check. Do you think this is the mindset that needs to change? Why one day, bhai?
Well, it's ridiculous. It's really ridiculous. Like, in fact, we are immediately nearing Valentine's Day. That also I find ridiculous. Why would you pick one day in an entire year to celebrate love or a woman? I mean, it's just supposed to be. Is that when a child sees the father treat a mother, that's how they're going to grow up and treat the women in their life. And that comes from basic respect. It's not putting a woman on a pedestal, giving her a medal, or treating her with flowers every day. It's just about basic respect, and giving equal seat on the table. She's no lesser.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात। ये आपने जो बात बोली अभी मैं थोड़ा-सा हिंदी में भी बात करूँगा क्योंकि
अरे मैं तो सारे आंसर्स सब इंग्लिश में लर्न कर आई हूँ, फिर अब क्या करेगी?
थोड़ा-सा तर्जुमा कर दीजिए अपने मन में अनुवाद हो जाए। देखिए यहाँ पर एक चीज़ ज़रूरी ये है कि अभी आपने थोड़ी देर पहले बोला दैट वुमेन नीड अ सीट एट दैट हाई टेबल। वहाँ पहुँचना ज़रूरी है, लेकिन वहाँ पहुँचेंगी कैसे? आप ये देखिए कि चाहे धीरे-धीरे सरकार में ये चीज़ ज़रूर बदल रही है, लेकिन अगर हम कहीं भी आप देख लीजिए, प्राइवेट सेक्टर में देख लीजिए, बोर्ड रूम्स देख लीजिए, ऑफिसेज़ देख लीजिए, इट इज़ लार्जली मेल डोमिनेटेड। ऐसा नहीं है कि वहाँ जो हर पुरुष पहुँचे हुए हैं, वो नेसेसरीली किसी महिला का दमन करके ही वहाँ पहुँचे हैं, इट इज़ जस्ट द कंस्ट्रक्ट। ऐसे में वो कौन-सी ग्लास सीलिंग या वो कौन-सा दरवाज़ा तोड़ना है और किस तरीके से तोड़ना है जिससे यू गेट दैट इक्वल अपॉर्च्युनिटी क्योंकि बात तो बहुत हो रही है, वो हो नहीं रहा है।
The base first to begin with is education. Education about not just the technical stuff, education about, like I said, that women do hold a place on the same table. It's not an exception. So let's stop treating it as an exception. We need to normalize it. और ये छोटी-छोटी बातों में आता है, घर से आता है। दैट्स व्हाई मैं बार-बार बोलती रहती हूँ कि अगर हमारे बच्चों को हमने सही तरीके से रेज़ किया है, तो औरतों को सही तरीके से ट्रीट करना उन्हें आना चाहिए। एक्सपेक्ट करना कि बाहर से सोसाइटी कुछ चेंज करेगा, गवर्नमेंट कुछ चेंज करेगा, येस आई अप्रिशिएट इट एंड दैट शुड बी डन, बट आई कैन डू इट एट माय लेवल इन माय हाउस एज़ वेल। Also, I feel there is great strength in unity, or contrary to belief, women are women's biggest strength. I don't think I have a stronger backup than my female friends, and I'm genuinely saying that. uh, उनको सिर्फ एक पोजीशन में डालने से बेटर है कि लेट देम ऑल्सो बी द वंस हु थिंक, स्ट्रैटेजाइज, प्लान, इम्प्लीमेंट एंड डू इट टुगेदर। उनको ट्यूटर करने के लिए, उनको मेंटोर करने के लिए वो औरतें हों हु हैव गॉन थ्रू अ सिमिलर सिचुएशन एंड हैव रिजन इट, नॉट जस्ट द वंस हु स्टडीड इट, because the ones who studied it are probably coming from a very privileged background.
ये आप बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात कह रही हैं बिकॉज़ यू हिंटिंग टुवर्ड्स द एफर्ट्स ऑफ सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स।
Absolutely.
जैसे चाहे लिज्जत पापड़ हो या फिर
You won't believe it. That is the first thought that came to my mind. To think of it कि लिज्जत पापड़ 7 औरतें थी गुजराती, उन्होंने पापड़ बनाने का बिजनेस शुरू किया अपने टेरेस से 80 रुपए का लोन लेकर, and they had a very interesting philosophy, Sarvodaya, which means every woman is a part of the ownership, which is amazing. The moment you give that ownership, you kind of want to take that
आपको
responsibility.
पता है यूपी में भी एक तरीके का महिलाओं का एक सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप बुंदेलखंड में था, बांदा में। उनका नाम था गुलाबी गैंग। महिलाओं को सम्मान दिलाने के लिए, अपने हक के लिए लड़ने के लिए, प्रशासन से आवाज उठाने के लिए, उस पर मेरे ख्याल एक फिल्म भी बनी। तो आपको लगता है कि ये वो चीज है जिसकी तरफ आप इशारा कर रही हैं? To get together and fight as a unit and community.
Yes, and also we are not trying to marginalize men. They are our allies. We are stronger when we work together. एक individually आप अपना अपनी लड़ाई लड़ रहे हो, हम अपनी लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं, and it's not a war of two sexes. It's really not. There is enough place for the men and for the women.
I know a lot of women activists who fight for men who are victims of, the dowry laws being misused. So I do see this bonhomie that you are talking about. ये देखने को मिलता है। अब मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ ऑफ women led tourism and enterprises at a grassroots level. गांव देहात तक, अब हम जानते हैं यहाँ पर समक्ष पंचायत सीरियल की टीम है और महिला उत्थान का एक जो उदाहरण हमने इस सीरियल में देखा, इस OTT वेब सीरीज में देखा, और ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि ये दिस इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम रियलिटी। प्रधानपति जरूर होते हैं, लेकिन वो एक कानून के मदद से आपने एक नीड क्रिएट की कि एक महिला चीफ हो गांव की। लेकिन ये जो फोर्सफुल एंट्री ऑफ वुमेन इनटू अ सीट ऑफ पावर, इट कभी ना कभी एक दो, अब तो सुनीता जी हैं, अगली प्रधान ये होने वाली हैं वेब सीरीज में। तो अब इनको उस सीट पर बैठ करके भाई कब तक वो प्रधानपति की सुनेंगी? कभी अंदर से भी मन करेगा ना, यू वुड हैव हैड टेस्टेड पावर। सो डू यू फील इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जबरदस्ती ही सही, जोर से ही सही, लेकिन एक बार दरवाजा तोड़ करके उस सीट पर महिलाओं का बैठना जरूरी?
I absolutely agree with it, and I think yes, but is आपने दो सवाल पूछे हैं. One is about tourism. You know, a lot of women, बहुत सारी औरतें, they actually deal with hospitality, food, craft on a very basic level. घर से शुरू करते हैं, but they do not have a completely professional setup जिससे उनकी safety, security या उन्हें एक लोन मिल सके. और अगर लोन मिल भी जाए तो you don't have credit history, you don't have the right paperwork, you don't probably have you don't have something to guarantee it with कि हमारे पास ये प्रॉपर्टी है, इसके खिलाफ हमें लोन दे दो. And if somebody does manage to go through that paperwork, I mean, it's kind of, it takes your brain away and you're like, नहीं करना है भैया, ये करना ही नहीं है. So all of that needs to change, and it will come. It's not just about sitting on a high seat. I in fact feel, I don't think we are asking to sit on the high seat. I genuinely
But
don't
you should.
so. No, no. Yeah, why? You and me both can sit together on the
Of
same
course we
table.
can.
I know, ये जो, see, the moment you say इनको higher seat दो, आप ये imply कर रहे हैं कि वो lower level पर है. वो करने की क्या जरूरत है? Just treat it, we need to normalize it.
Correct.
Not make it like, oh wow, exception. It doesn't need to be made into an exception. It has to be treated like, okay, this is how it's supposed to be.
Speaking of normalization, there was a time when in the Hindi film industry, it was normalized for a scene to exist where the word rape is casually used. It was normalized for women to be slapped by, the hero as a form of love or appreciation. अभी कठिनाई होगी लोगों को ये करने में. अभी ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट जो लिखेगा वो लताड़ा जाएगा. तो मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ, what change can the Hindi film industry bring about in empowering women, or has that journey already begun, or there's miles to go?
Of course, there is a journey that has begun, but it will always have miles to go. Any kind of growth and progress will have miles to go. And if there aren't any more miles to go, we are going to reach and believe that we've reached saturation, we've achieved, and we've, kind of sorted everything out. That is not where we should be at any point of time in a society that is growing. Also, Hindi films या कोई भी लैंग्वेज की फिल्म्स हमारे देश में, they are the biggest and the strongest platform of storytelling. Luckily, what has happened is now the woman is not just a subject of a story, they are the storytellers. They are directors, writers, producers, and not just women. I'm talking about an entire community which was diversified. Even if you're talking about LGBTQ, even if you're talking about somebody who is less privileged or belongs to a different class.
एक आम तौर पर न्यूज़ रूम में ये बोला जाता है कि भाई इस तरीके के, और ख़ास तौर से हिंदी न्यूज़ रूम्स में ये बोला जाता है कि भाई एलजीबीटीक्यू टाइप की चीज़ें मत करो, ये जनता देखेगी नहीं. Cinema is also mass media. So if there will be no mass acceptance or consumption of causes like this, then would that discourage people from talking about these subjects, or have the tables turned?
First and foremost, we need to stop treating this as an issue. We will make a issue-based film about this community. वो thinking ही wrong है. We will make a film. That's it. It's a part of it. It has to be normalized as much as you and me can be a part of a film or a project. The same way anyone and everyone can be. Also, like I said, it's time they, and I think there are a lot of creators and makers who are the ones who are telling these stories rather than just uh, being an audience or being a subject of a story. It's not just a story of struggle, it's a story of normalcy that needs to be told. इसको हाईलाइट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर हाईलाइट करोगे तो फिर इस इश्यू को सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा ना. It's as normal as anyone being in this room.
Let's talk a little about what is upcoming. What can we expect? What next powerful performance can we expect from Miss Shefali Shah?
Oh, powerful performance, I don't know. That is not where or how I intended to play any part. Yes, they are powerful women, but they're also vulnerable. And I think vulnerability is a great strength. That is where power comes from. If you feel strongly, then you want.
Vulnerability is a strength.
Absolutely.
Can you please elaborate?
If I don't feel it strongly, if I do not go through that emotion, why am I going to find the need to correct it? I will feel that pain. And it's fine. You know, often हमको कहा जाता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा करती हो यार. You're too much. Yeah, I want to be too much. I am too expressive. I am hyper. I am emotional. I am sensitive. These are my strengths. And I'm going to own them. I don't want to change them.
Yeah.
I'm going to own them.
For many decades, for people who don't know here, perhaps everybody knows, Miss Shefali Shah is known for her, is famous / infamous for exactly this death stare
Oh
that
my
you
God.
give.
Okay.
Close up.
Sorry. I didn't. I think I got carried away, but I will own it.
Why? Is this like your trademark?
No, this
Is it to scare people?
No. This is just the way I am. This is the way I express.
And you know, directors love it because from Delhi Crying to name a movie, and I think it must be pretty standard for directors ki ye to let's go extreme close up.
He said, you know, me and the editors, whenever we were in doubt, we'd say, cut to her. And I was like, and she doesn't need to say anything. Just cut to her. We'll figure it out. And that is a compliment, but I just feel it's really not, I'm not intending to do it.
You know, my impression when I look at that Zed, no, not scared. I'll tell you, it's a mixture of for everything. Beti baat nahi sun rahi, Delhi Crime mein to ek stare hai. That is the stare of your vulnerability. Then, if you are trying to exercise your might and right as a cop, then that stare is a stare of confidence. So that stare means to me as a viewer a number of things.
And I genuinely
Was that the intention?
No, we have the privilege of a camera. It catches the smallest nuance. If you can say something with 4 words, don't use 8. If you can say something with 2 words, don't use 4. And if you can just shut up, please just keep quiet. You know, there is a lot of power in silence. Also, you know the difference between a book and a film. A film is a vision of a director. A book leaves it for your interpretation and imagination. That silent stare or look is left to your imagination. You become a part of that moment. Wow, this is something I didn't really intentionally go out to do, but I just think it's really there.
So what project are we going to stare at?
So I did 2 projects last year. I did a film called Hisab with Vipul, and it's with Jaideep Ahlawat. And I did another film which is tentatively titled Night Tales, which is with a new director. And yes, they are strong women, but they also come from vulnerability. And one of them is really cuckoo, which I loved playing. She's totally off the rockers. And I enjoyed it so much. I think, identified with her. Yeah. I was like, I don't know, छोड़ दो, जो करना है करो.
Okay, last question. क्योंकि आप मुस्कुराइए, आप लखनऊ में हैं और क्योंकि ये उत्तर प्रदेश है, तो उत्तर प्रदेश विविधताओं का भी प्रदेश है और यहाँ पर मैं तो उनको बोलियां नहीं बोलता, मैं तो भाषा मानता हूँ. ब्रज भी एक भाषा है, भोजपुरी भी एक भाषा है, अवधी भी एक भाषा है. तो इन विविधताओं को आगे ले जाने के लिए कभी ऐसा मौका आपको मिला है कि आप इसमें एक्सपेरिमेंट करें?
अभी तक नहीं मिला, लेकिन मैं करना चाहूंगी.
इट्स द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग, आई कैन टेल यू दिस. आप सोशल मीडिया उठा करके देखिए, अगर आप मैथिली में बोलेंगे तो आपको लाखों व्यूज मिलते हैं,
I like the,
भोजपुरी में भी मिलते हैं, अवधी में भी मिलते हैं।
एक शो था by the same director who directed DC1, Telecrime 1, called The Poachers. उसमें हर लैंग्वेज थी। जिस जगह पर जिस प्रांत से वो इंसान बिलोंग करता था, वो उस लैंग्वेज में बात करता था। इट वाज एग्जैक्टली हाउ आवर कंट्री इज, and a normal line, a normal understanding would become Hindi very proudly so. I'm not saying English is not a part of it, but Hindi became a language of communication between everyone. And I think that is fantastic. So instead of, saying, ye Hindi film hai, Gujarati film hai, Marathi film hai, in Bombay, I'm thank God I know all these three languages. When I'm communicating in my house, all my helpers, staff, my son will speak in Hindi. My mom, I talk to her in Gujarati. My aji, I will speak to her in Marathi. And that's how normal houses are. And which is great. So I think it's not just about, so it's beauty. And there is so much beauty in all of this variety. It's unique. It's something nice and new to the ears. It's not just the same. People are experimenting with it. I haven't had the opportunity, but I really do hope I get to do it.
रघुवीर जी ससुर। Thank you so much, Shefali. What
My
an honor to
pleasure.
talk to you.
Absolutely my pleasure.